Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now by opening Settings on your iPhone or System Preferences on your Mac and tapping Apple ID. Enter the email or phone linked to the account. This tells Apple which record to pull. Once done, choose Forgot Apple ID or Password and follow prompts. You will be asked to confirm a trusted device or phone number. Make sure to keep that device nearby because it receives verification codes. This is the fastest path to start account recovery immediately. You now move into verification. Approve the sign-in request on any trusted device or enter the one-time code sent via SMS or a phone call. If no trusted device is available, select Start Account Recovery. This cues Apple to validate you over time. Make sure to provide a recovery contact so Apple can reach you. This speeds up approval. Also, enter past passwords or security answers when prompted, because those details help prove ownership and shorten the wait. You finish by monitoring the recovery status email or SMS. Apple will send progress updates and a recovery ID. Once verification succeeds, reset your password and update trusted devices and recovery phone or contact. This prevents repeat issues. If recovery is delayed or denied, call Apple support and provide the recovery ID plus the time you started recovery. This lets them locate your case. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or use Apple's Support app if sign-in options aren't appearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.